student. Welcome to the Gyanjyoti online classes. I am your English teacher. Today we discuss chapter 11 English reader. Mind it, English reader chapter 11 Ants and the Grass. Okay. So dear student, first you open your book, page number 92. Okay. Here you have to see page number 92. And chapter's name is ants and grass shopper. ठीक है. So dear student, have you seen ants carrying tiny bits of food? हम लोग सभी अक्सर देखते हैं कि जो हमारा आंट्स है पूरा एक लाइन में कुछ ना कुछ खाना ले जाते हैं. ठीक है, कुछ ना कुछ खाना ले जाते हैं. हम लोग देखे हैं, चाहे वो दीवार में हो, चाहे वो नीचे हो. ठीक है, व्हाट डू यू थिंक दे आर गोइंग? आप लोग क्या सोच सकते हैं वो कहाँ जाते हैं? इतना जल्दी आ जाते हैं, इतना जल्दी कहाँ चले जाते हैं? सो जस्ट यू हैव टू थिंक which one the coming and which one so getting food and go their way. So just a small story, ants and the grasshopper. So just you have to open your book, page number 92. Okay, you have to open and just you have to see, just you have to listen very carefully. Okay, so dear student, start the story. One fine summer day, grasshopper was lazing around. It was chirping to heart's content. Okay, so इस समर डे ग्रासहॉपर लेजिंग अराउंड, यानी कि वो ऐसा पड़ा था कि कुछ उसको चिंता ही नहीं है, दुनिया कहाँ जा रहा है कुछ भी उसको चिंता ही नहीं है, और लेजीनेस से सोया हुआ है. इट वाज स्लीपिंग टू हॉट और चिल्ला रहा है, एंजॉय कर रहा है. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट अदर्स way, it's never Mr. Ant was busy at work. So the other way, it's never, यानी कि grasshopper का उसका पड़ोसी Mr. Ant was busy at work. और उसी समय, ठीक उसी समय, that summer day, the ants was busy at work, यानी कि वो अपना काम में busy था. Okay, so you have to just open page number 93. Okay, so hello there Mr. Ant. So grasshopper just asking Mr. Ant, hello there Mr. Ant, why don't you come and sing with me? क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग? क्यों ना तुम मेरे साथ आओ और कुछ गाने गाते हैं, एंजॉय करते हैं. इट इज ब्राइट एंड ब्यूटीफुल. ये बहुत ही सुंदर डे है, ऐसा तुम मजा नहीं ले रहे हो क्या? काम में लगे बोल के ये जो ग्रासहॉपर है आंट्स को बुला रहा है. ठीक है, सो व्हाई डोंट यू कम एंड सिंग विथ मी? इट इज ब्राइट एंड ब्यूटीफुल डे. देन मिस्टर आंट्स गिविंग द आंसर, आई एम कलेक्टिंग फूड फॉर विंटर, आई कांट स्टॉप टू रेस्ट नाउ. उसके जवाब में जो आंट्स है वो बोल रहा है कि मैं जो है विंटर सीजन के लिए खाना जमा करूं और मैं अभी रेस्ट नहीं ले सकता. मैं अभी रेस्ट नहीं ले सकता क्योंकि मेरे को बहुत सारे खाना फूड जो है विंटर सीजन के लिए रखना है. सो द गिविंग द आंसर इज वेरी surprising. Okay, and another way, my brother, about the winter we have plenty of food, now let's enjoy. बोल रहे तो हम लोग ऐसे ही करते हैं मेरे भाई, विंटर के लिए मैं बहुत सारे खाना जो है फूड जो है जमा करके रखा हूँ. अभी जो है एंजॉय करने का दिन, अभी जो है मौज मस्ती का दिन है. सो my brothers, about the winter we have plenty of food, now let's enjoy, just enjoy. तुम लोग काम करते रहो बोल के ये जो है ग्रासहॉपर आंट्स को बोल रहा है। इट विल बी विंटर सून, देन बहुत ही कम समय में विंटर सीजन जो है आ गया, ठीक है। एंड देन वी विल नॉट हैव एनी मोर, आई एम गोइंग टू फिनिश माय वर्क बिफोर आई एंजॉय। सो और कुछ समय बाद जो है विंटर सीजन आ जाएगा। जब उस समय आएगा तो मेरे को खाना कम पड़ जाएगा, इसलिए मैं पहले अपना काम करूँ, खाना इकट्ठा करूँ, उसके बाद जो एंजॉय करना है, जो मजा करना है मैं करूँ। सी यू लेटर मिस्टर ग्रासहॉपर, ठीक है। मैं कुछ समय बाद आपको मिलता हूँ बोल के वहाँ से आंट जो है चला गया। मिस्टर आंट वेंट ऑन हिज वे एंड कंटिन्यू कलेक्टिंग फूड फॉर विंटर। ओके, देन मिस्टर आंट वेंट हिज वे एंड कंटिन्यू कलेक्टिंग फॉर, वहाँ से चला गया और अपना काम चालू रखा और विंटर सीजन के लिए बहुत सारे खाना जो है इकट्ठा किया, ठीक है। Then for next page 94 page, the season change, one summer made way for ice winter। उसके बाद ऑलरेडी सीजन जो है चेंज होता रहता है, कभी समर विंटर, ओके, रेनी सीजन, ऑटोमन सीजन। सो सीजन also change, one summer made was very ice winter। उसके बाद ठंडी का महीना आ गया। मिस्टर ग्रासहॉपर did not have any food for winter। अब ग्रासहॉपर जो है अपने लिए कुछ भी खाना जमा नहीं किया है, विंटर सीजन के लिए कुछ भी खाना जमा नहीं किया है। The ants had stored food for the winter and were happy in their colony। और जो है आंट जो है बहुत सारे खाना जो है इकट्ठा करके रखे और अपना कॉलोनी, अपना घर में बहुत ही खुशी से हम लोग बिता रहे हैं, क्योंकि समर सीजन में वो जो है मेहनत किया और खाना इकट्ठा किया विंटर सीजन के लिए। आज जो है हम लोग खाना खा रहे हैं और खाने के साथ एंजॉय कर रहे हैं। बट द अदर प्लेस, अदर साइड, सीइंग द ग्रासहॉपर कंडीशन इज वेरी बैड कंडीशन। ओके, द ant decided to help it out। देखा जो ग्रासहॉपर का जो है बहुत ही कंडीशन खराब है, ना खाना है ना कुछ है। आज जो है एंजॉय जो समर सीजन में किया था, आज जो भुगत रहा है, यानी कि उसके पास ना खाने का कुछ है ना पीने का कुछ है। इट्स अनडिसाइडेड टू हेल्प इट आउट। सो उसका कंडीशन देख के आंट्स जो है कुछ हेल्प करने का उसको सोचा। दे गिव इट सम फूड। उसके बाद उन लोग जो है कुछ फूड जो है ये ग्रासहॉपर को दिए। मिस्टर ग्रासहॉपर वाज फेड एंड सेंटेड। उसके बाद जो है ग्रासहॉपर उसको खाया और सेंटेड यानी कि उसका जो प्रोटेक्टेड एंड सेफ प्लेस, उसका जो प्लेस है वहाँ पे चला गया। इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग story, small story, but morality is very meaningful. Okay, so dear student, you have to working hard for yourself. You do all the work completely earlier, not a backside. Okay, not in futures. You have to any thinking. Nowadays we have to work very hard, then you have to already success yourself, you will your future will bright. So dear student, this morality it's very meaningful. So dear student, you work hard and do yourself, all the work is good, not bad. Okay, so nowadays you have to hard working for your and focus for your study and read, write, speak, and all the book we have to importance. Okay, so dear student, we have to stay your hand and set yourself what we have to study well all the subject. Okay, and this time you are hard working, then you have to increase your mind, then you have to benefit it for your future. So this morality, this story. So the student first, just I repeat this story, one small story. Just you see the picture. Here is the rest and enjoy himself a grasshopper. But another picture you have to see the ants are collecting food for the winter and hardworking. Okay, so this was is very difference for each other, because this place the collecting food for the winter, and this place enjoying for the grasshopper, because now a coming nowadays is not enjoyable. it's it's for our challenging. Okay, it's for our difficult time, so we have to hard working anytime, any place, anywhere. Okay, so the student, then you have to see the picture. Here the asking for the grasshopper, just you have to come and sing with me, it's right and beautiful day. But the it's not a bright or beautiful day. For the shade of ants, I am collecting food for winter. I cannot stop to rest now. मैं जो है कलेक्ट कर रहा हूँ विंटर सीजन के लिए, और मेरा अभी रेस्ट नहीं है, मैं काम चलाते रहूँगा. So this one is very different for each other. Okay, one place the rest of peace, grasshopper said and enjoy. Okay, much, but did not think about the winter season. I have no food, then that time why I am doing. So not that time the thinking, the grasshopper said, but one of the ants said the thinking very hardly and work hard, then collecting the food, and finally they had to got food and they have to enjoy the winters. Then another picture you have to see why, brother, about the winter we have plenty of food, now let's enjoy. मेरे पास तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा food है, so I am enjoy. Let's you have to join us. The said grasshopper, but did not agree with his speak. The ants cannot agree, and it will be winter season, and they will not have any more food. I am going to finish my work before I enjoy. See you later, Mr. Grasshopper. So that time, not a invitation of the grasshoppers, not for the expecting, and ants doing their work very positively, and it benefited the futures and winter season coming soon. That time the many plenty of food the collected and stored it for their colony. The ants is very clever. Mr. Wan went his way and continue collecting food for winter. Okay, so उस समय जो है बहुत सारे फूड जो है कलेक्ट करके रख दिया. The another page, just you have to read the season change, what some one summer made way for icy winter. उसके बाद सीजन जो है चेंज हो गया अचानक से. सीजन चेंज होता रहता है, समर सीजन से विंटर सीजन आया, उसमें बहुत ही बर्फ पड़ने लगा, ठंडी लगने लगा. देन यू हैव टू फील आल्सो विंटर सीजन, यू हैव टू फील ए कूल एंड द कूल सीजन, एंड इट्स वेरी difficult for us. So that time we don't go outside, don't anything work positively. So that time the ants are enjoy themselves, because they have to store it many food for their balcony. Okay, their house. But Mr. Grasshopper did not have any food for winter. Winter season के लिए grasshopper जो enjoy कर रहा था, कुछ भी नहीं रखा अपने लिए, फूड ना रखा, कुछ भी नहीं लगा, एंजॉय करने में लगा. बट now the days are difficult for the grasshopper. Okay, the ants had stored food for the winter and were happy in their colony. बहुत ही एंजॉय कर रहा है और बहुत ही खुशी से अपने सारे फैमिली के साथ बिता रहे हैं. But another side is the very difficult time of grasshopper. They suffer. They have to suffer in bad condition for themselves. Ants decided to help it out. उस समय क्या है, कुछ ants जो है उसको हेल्प करने की सोची. They have kept to some food और कुछ उसको खाने के लिए दिए. Mr. Grasshopper was fed and sated. उसके बाद वो कुछ खाया और sated यानी कि अपना जगह में चला गया. So this is the morality of ourselves also. We have to do hard work. I'm just repeat again. We have to do hard work. It's time for our difficulty, but in future we have to bright our future. We do much more, and it's easy for ourselves. Okay. So dear student, just you have to yourself think about the difficulties. Nowadays I have to enjoy, but this lockdown, for example, for this lockdown, some people are collecting food and some people by the morning they have to work earlier and they have to enjoy. But nowadays, do not any money or any food, they have to suffer and collecting food and buying not any things. Okay, so that's way you have to do hard work everywhere, every time, every moment. Okay, so dear student, just have to knowing new words. So first you open your copy and just write. Okay, I have to write on blackboards. Okay, new words. Lazy. The idea relaxing. Idling, relaxing for the moment of enjoyable. Okay. So it's mean lazy. यानी हम lazy हो चुके हैं life में. So we don't lazy ourselves, yourself. Okay. Don't lazy in hard work. So lazy means ideally relaxing. To one heart. One heart. Content. It's mean to do something enjoyable. Do something enjoyable for as long as. For as long as one wants to. Okay, so that means our hearts content to do something enjoyable for us one wants to. Okay, so we have to enjoy. Then forget our work. So this means is we have to enjoyable. Okay, so we have to write positively all the new words. Then others means made way. Made way for. Made way for. Here the meanings are made way. Change to. Okay. Change to, have to change. Change our lifestyle. Then you have to benefit it for all the morality of your life. Okay. So icy means chilly, बहुत ही ठंडी, freezing, cold. Okay. So the student first thing, listen very carefully what I am saying. Okay. Freezing cold condition. Condition here the condition means safe. Condition means safe. कंडीशन एक अवस्था होता है. Say the meanings of here is set. Condition means sacred. Okay, sacred. Sacred means protect, protected in safe place. Safe place. The protect and in safe place we have to protect for our all the season. First we have to stay our home very safely. Home is the safe place. So here is the grasshopper is safely for and feeding after the wind given ants some food is feeding and shelters in their home. So shelter means protect in a safe place. Okay. So just I have to write. Then we have to do some questions. So dear students, just you think about what you do yourself. It's better for your life, better for your next bright futures. So just you open 95 page comprehension. The mark this sentence is true or false. Okay. Just you have to see the blackboard. Which one the true or which one the false? You first give the answer. Mark this sentence. As true. True means 3 or false means F. Okay. So just you have to write that place the true. Then you have to write T. You have to write that place false. That place you have to write F. Okay. Just you have to mind it, remember it. Okay. Number 1, I have to do the ant. The ants were lazing. The ants were lazing around in summer. Okay, first you understand the sentence what they saying. So just you have to understand it. The ants were lazing around in summer. Not ants were lazing. Grasshopper were lazing. Okay. So this was a first. So we have to write F. The we have to do number 2. The grasshopper. The grasshopper. Grasshopper did not collect food for winter. Just you have to read very clearly and understand it. The grasshopper did not collect food for winter. Yes. So this is a true. Okay. This is a true. So the meanings the sentence is correct. The grasshopper did not collect food for winter. Yes. So we have to write T. Okay. So 1 and 2 number we just try to do for your example. Okay. Rest number you have to do yourself. Okay. Just to answer this question, I will give you. Okay. I will give you for next time. Okay. For next class. Then you have to do another number. Which of these words describing a grasshopper and ant? Write more in the correct column. Here is the 2 columns. Just you have to using words, correct words in correct place. So just you see here the grasshopper side and here the ant side. So just you have to write. Okay. Some words I have to put in the blanks or columns. Okay. one of the grasshopper side and other side is ant side. Okay. So just using first grasshopper side, grasshopper side, grasshopper. Okay. Grasshopper and here is the ants. Okay. Which word is using in correct side? Just you mind and remember and keep your mind and fill in the blanks. First, grasshopper, lazy, hardworking, hardworking. Okay. The first column is completed. Busy, careful. Okay. The another carefully, carefree, idle. So just I have to do 3 words putting the grasshopper side and 3 words putting in ant side. Next others columns you have to do yourself. It's very easy. First you understand and do yourself. Okay. It's very not a difficult. Then others number you have to do. Complete this crossword puzzle by reading the clause. So dear student, first you see the book. Complete the crossword puzzle by the reading clause. It said the clues is here 1 to 4, 1 to 4. Across and down. Here is the crossword. Okay. So do yourself. It's very easy, not a difficult. So it's your homework. I am not doing. Okay. I am not doing. It's you have to do yourself. It's your homework. Okay. So grammar section. Look at the picture and read this sentence carefully. Okay. Look at the picture. Here the baby is sleeping. The baby is not sleeping. Is crying. It's not sleeping. It's crying. It's the two different pictures. The baby is the drinking milk. One side the baby is the drinking milk. The baby is not drinking milk. It is the playing with the bottle. It's not drinking. Here his father is the drinking means they can hold and drinking means the other side is not drinking, playing with the bottle. Okay. So here you have to just read the positive and negative sentence. Both give us the information. So just you write yourself. Okay. See the blackboard. Okay. Just have to write. Okay, dear student, just you write in your copy positive and negative. Just you know about I am just told in grammar. So positive and negative sentence both give us information. Okay, but only negative sentence use not. So just you understand it. Positive and negative sentence. Okay, both give us information. ये दोनों हमें information देते हैं, but only negative sentence use not. Using not. Negative part is using not. So just you have to clear it. Okay. Positive and negative sentence both give us information, but only negative sentence use not. Okay. So just you have to do yourself all the question answer. Okay. Then you have to do some question answer. Next page number 98. Add the words not and change the positive. Here see to add the words, change the positive sentence to negative sentence. So just we have to change here is the positive sentence, but we change for not or negative सेंटेंस, पॉजिटिव को उसको हम लोग को नेगेटिव में तब्दील करना है, ठीक है। वी कन्वर्ट पॉजिटिव टू नेगेटिव एंड यूजिंग नॉट। जस्ट यू टू सी ऑन ब्लैकबोर्ड, माय फ्रेंड Paul is an expert at repairing computer. What? Repairing computer. Okay. So just you have to change or convert to positive to negative using not. So here my friend Paul is an not. Here we have to use not expert. Here we have to use not expert at repairing computers. Okay. Just you have to convert positive to negative, and the sentence is completed. One number is completed. Then just number others number you have to do yourself. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Fourth number you have to do yourself. If you don't know, leave it. I will give you answer. Okay. So this is the point that I sound highlights words. The string. Here is the small point. Okay. I decided beyond belief to get holiday through belief. The alas my opinion turned to grief when my purse was snatched by the thief. I changed the cunning thief. It's faster than me, got the mind relief. He dropped my purse and vanished quickly when he heard my sling. So here the small point, just you understand. Okay. Here yourself, you have to do yourself. It's a small point, and first you understand it. Then to here underline the correct I word in this sentence. So just I am doing some number. See the blackboard. Okay. So dear student, you have to all the number do easily, but you have to first understand the sentence. Okay. So keep your mind. The other number you have to do underline the correct I-E sound word in this sentence. Here is some sentence. Just you have to tick or underline the correct words. My brother's daughter is mine. Here two words, nice or wrist. Which one is correct? You have to underline it. Okay. My brother's daughter is mine, nice or wrist. Okay. So just you have to underline the correct words. Just you understand first the sentence. First you understand and you have to do yourself. Okay. So just you have to underline nice. Nice is the right answer. So dear student, you have to underline the words nice. Okay. The second number you have to do number second, sings the chief or thief. Two words is here, chief and thief. Of the right was leader. Okay. He had he had a grand house. So which is the correct words for this sentence? Just you think and do yourself. Okay. Since chief or chief of the tribe was leader, he had a grand house. First you understand, then you have to underline the correct word. So I think or I am sure for chief is the right answer. Okay. So just write this one also. Then we have to do another number. Okay, number 3. So I again repeat, dear student, you have to understand the first sentence and do yourself. It's very easy. The man was filled with great or belief when his pet hamster died. Okay, so here just grief is the right answer. So do yourself. Rest others you have to do yourself. 5, 4 and listening and speaking is your homework. Just you have to identify the animals. Okay. Here look at the picture, story, discuss with your class. Now write the story in your own words. Okay, dear student. So I think you have to understand all the numbers, all the small story of ants and the grasshopper, and I hope you do all the questions also. So dear student, our chapter is completed. Okay, 11th chapter is completed. The chapter name is ants, the grasshopper, ants and the grasshopper. So dear student, I hope you have to understand all the story, all the questions very well. Okay, so we have to finish today our chapters. So thank you very much.